Flagler Beach is calling, it's the place to be. A brand new home where luxury meets the shore. 3 beds, 3 baths, and so much more. In 2023, this beauty took the stage, with open spaces, a style so engaged. Raised ceilings above, rich wood in the air, a kitchen that dazzles with flair beyond compare. 1244 South Daytona Ave, it's the dream you've been waiting for. A slice of paradise, just moments from the shore. Poolside living and a backyard so grand. Flagler Beach is where your future stands. Call the landmark group at Compass today for luxury coastal living in the best way. Step inside and the flex home's there. A home office gym or playroom flair, quartz countertops and a waterfall island gleam. State-of-the-art appliances, a chef's dream. Out back, the pool is where you'll find your peace. A summer kitchen perfect for those backyard feasts. Private and fenced with a double gate. This beachside living, it's not too late. 1244 South Daytona Ave, it's the dream you've been waiting for. A slice of paradise, just moments from the shore. Poolside living and a backyard so grand. Flagler Beach is where your future stands. Call the landmark group at Compass today for luxury coastal living in the best way. Sea, a beach town having where you're meant to be. Flagler's charm from sunrise to the night, your new beginning in coastal delight. 1244 South Daytona Ave, it's the dream you've been waiting for. A slice of paradise, just moments from the shore. Poolside living and a backyard so grand. Flagler Beach is where your future stands. Call the landmark group at Compass today for luxury coastal living.